Welcome to English Total Grammar Lessons. Chapter 9, Will. This time, we will be talking about will, which is another way to describe future in English. And as usual, we're going to start by talking about its uses. We can use will to describe actions or activities in the future in general, and to describe what we've decided to do on the spot. Here's some examples.
Oh no, I will be late for my meeting.
It's hot in here. I'll open the window.
Okay, so let's move on to the basic sentence structure. This is the basic structure for sentences using will. First, you have the subject of the sentence, followed by will or won't if the sentence is negative, and then the verb in infinitive form. Notice that you can use will with different subjects and pronouns, and the only difference between positive and negative sentences is the use of not after will, or the use of the contraction won't. Here are some examples.
Sue is in Madrid. She won't come back soon.
You can call me tonight. I will be at home.
As the examples illustrate, will generally describes a more generic kind of future, not something that has been planned. Okay, on to question formation now. This is the structure for questions using will. Start the question with will, followed by the subject, and then the verb in infinitive form. Here's a table for reference. And some examples.
Will you go to James's party?
Yes, I think I will.
Great, I will see you there.
Cool, huh? Moving on. Let's take a moment to look at short answers. This is the structure for short answers. It's quite simple, as you can see. Look at these examples.
Will you speak to the manager?
Yes, I will. Are you going to eat that?
No, I won't.
Clearly, short answers are the simplest way to answer yes or no questions. Finally, here's a quick note on other uses of will. Will is often used to make offers, like this one.
These boxes are heavy.
Wow, okay, I will help you.
As you can see in this example, the woman can see that the boxes are heavy and the man probably needs help, which is why she is offering it. Okay, let's recap. In this lesson, you have learned that you can use will to describe future actions in general. You've learned that you can also use it to describe actions you have decided to do in the moment. And that you can also use will to offer things in general. So, now you are ready to talk about the future in English. We hope you find this lesson useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. This is the end of Chapter 9.